what I want to do today is show y'all how to replace the power supply inside of your PS4. Because most thing I always hear people doing is like selling their PlayStations or taking their PlayStations back to a pawn shop or whatever, or paying somebody couple $100 or whatever to fix their fucking PS4, and they can just do the shit themselves because it's not that fucking hard. So I want to show y'all that. But first, I wanted to show y'all this fucking microphone that I got, because it's like cheap little microphone. It's only like $20. It's like neat, whatever the fuck that is. But look how smooth it looks, bro. This bitch is dope. Like, get in close and show how it looks. It's all gold and shit. Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. It's a nice little microphone. I'm going to actually do a full unboxing of this microphone and do a like test video, sound quality, show you how it is. But right now, that's not really important. So I can go to the side. And another thing, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this game, Modern Warfare. No, I'm not giving away. I'm not giving away that. But let's get this shit started. For the sake of time, I kind of like broke most of this down because you know, got all day to be doing this. So, first things first. Cool question. On the back of your PlayStation, right? If your PlayStation has never been worked on before, it's going to be a sticker right here, a black sticker covering this spot right here up, right? That's the factory warranty sticker. I have to tell you, if you take that sticker off, you are going to void your factory warranty. So once you take that sticker off, you can't send it back to Sony to do anything for you, right? It's all on you after that point. But it's 2 screws. These are like the star angle screws. I don't know what the fuck they're really called, but it's like star angle with the little dot in the middle. So it's like this one. You can go to Walmart. I got this kit from Walmart. It was like $12 or something like that. So what you're gonna do is you don't need to take off the top one. The only time you take off the top one is like if you're working on the motherboard, like a hard drive, something like that. I'm gonna show you how to do that too. But you really just need to take off the bottom one. I already took it off because save time. Take that off, boom. Once you take it off, you're going to pop off the bottom cover. It's kind of hard, but don't force it. It's like go around the edges and like just pop off the little side. Get a picture. See, you go pop it off, lift up, slide it off, boom. That's the bottom of your PlayStation, right? This is the 2nd gen 500 megabyte one, right? The way you tell if it's the 1st or 2nd gen, the 1st gen one has, on this side, it's shiny. It's like the shiny one. The 2nd gen one, they made it matte. It's really not a real big difference. It's just some of the parts are not interchangeable. Like the power supply is not interchangeable with that. Right? This is your power supply. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, right? These are the screws right here. Right, these two long screws going right here. And then this is like, nope, wait, I'm wrong. It's going to be the short one over here, the long one over here. And then these screws, well, no, I think I left the other ones downstairs. My bad, I left the other ones downstairs, but it's going to be some small screws to go on the edge. But anyway, so after you take those screws out, it's going to be a wire. It's a white wire. I left it up under here when I took it out the first time. You're going to lift up. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be easy with it, not like how I just did it. You're going to gently lift it up because don't forget this wire right here, this white wire is going to be hooked into the side of it. So you want to gently lift it up, boom, lift it up from the side. And it's prongs right here. So don't just like bend or like that. Just take it up slow. And you're going to take this, wheel this out, take the prongs out. That's how you take your old power supply. Now this one was burnt out. It was like a bug got in the inside of it and laid on one of the solenoids and it was in rest mode and it got burnt out, so it doesn't work anymore. And power supply doesn't work anymore. Fucking game doesn't work anymore, right? This is the new one. By the way, I got my man's DV son behind the camera. You know what I'm saying? He cameraing me up real quick. Cause already in there sick and shit. Okay, so you see the new power supply. And it's ironic, right? Because if you look at the
serial number for the original power supply that came in this PlayStation is 1-474-632-11. And then you look at the one for the new power supply, it's 1-474-631-11. So this power supply was made right before this one, which is fucking ironic. Probably doesn't really matter, but I felt like I should point that out any fucking way. So we're gonna hook this wire into the side of the power supply and gently slide it down on those prongs to make sure it clicks into place. Sorry, because it stopped recording before, so we have to start over. I just spice them together though. Once you got that in, it's all nice and perfect and shit. It looks regulated now. It's crazy. And drop these screws down. Gotta change that. I'm sorry, I'm like really organized. I think this is some more. Change it out. I'm mainly making this video too because I don't really think niggas think of me really believing that I do this shit. I think they just be thinking that I get it and then give them to some mystery white boy and he does them and gives them back to me and I just collect the profit. But nah, for real, I does this stuff. I'm a fucking geek. Yep. And make sure it's locked down. Now the crazy part is, and I have to kind of admit this right now because this is my original PlayStation, and when it originally broke, the power supply went out. I did not bother to go get a new one, and my initial reason for getting another power supply is because I was selling it to my brother-in-law, but my bro, he ended up buying himself a PlayStation, so I'm like, I'm gonna fix this one for my wife because she wants to have a PlayStation because of course she does. And yeah, that's why we're here. So honestly, putting this new power supply in here, I'm not 100% sure that it's going to turn back on and work. But, because it could just, like, the power supply could have burnt out and it could have killed the motherboard itself too, because I never really tested that. But we're going to hope that just putting the brand new power supply in it brings it back to life. Oh God. Because that would be real funny for this video. But here, neither here nor there, I showed you how to replace it. So if it doesn't work, you still know how to fucking replace the thing. Okay, now I got the screw that goes in the back of here. I got to switch back to one. Screw goes right here. It's going to be two factory warranty stickers. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. You can see like where it's sticky at around there. And then, yeah. And then, blam, blam, blam. So I went to GameStop earlier, bought a new power cord. It was like $7, brand new. Fucking my God, Jesus Christ. Okay, so I'm definitely going to go find my original cord for this PlayStation because this fucking cord is the cheapest shit I've ever seen in my life. Look how fucking thin that is. Jesus Christ. If you get one good power surge, I'm pretty sure it's going to fry out this damn cord, but anyway, for the sake of whatever, we don't even know. So we're gonna hope. Oh no! It fucking wasn't working, but beep! We got action! Oh, my baby alive again! You're alive again! Y'all don't know. This is my bitch.
know I got a whole ass pro now, but this is about. That's beautiful. That's beautiful stuff right there. That's beautiful stuff right there. Alright, so we're gonna cut out for right now, and then I'm gonna transfer it downstairs. And I'm gonna put it on TV and show y'all that it actually does still fucking work. So you can stop.